Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we share the best tips and advice for a healthier lifestyle. In today's video, we're talking about something that might surprise you. How you might be cooking your vegetables wrong, which can reduce their health benefits. Cooking vegetables the right way is crucial to preserving their nutrients. Let's dive into the 12 common mistakes and how to avoid them. First up, overcooking your vegetables. This is a common mistake that can strip away vital nutrients. Boiling vegetables for extended periods can cause water-soluble vitamins, like vitamin C and B vitamins, to leach out into the water. To preserve these nutrients, try steaming or blanching your vegetables for a shorter duration. Steaming retains more nutrients and keeps the vegetables crisp and vibrant. Using too little water when boiling vegetables can be just as harmful as overcooking them. When you don't use enough water, the vegetables can overheat and lose nutrients due to prolonged contact with high heat. Ensure you use plenty of water and bring it to a rapid boil before adding the vegetables. This helps to cook them quickly and evenly, minimizing nutrient loss. Another mistake is throwing away the cooking water, especially after boiling. The water used to boil vegetables often contains a significant amount of the vegetable's nutrients. Instead of discarding it, use the cooking water in soups, stews, or sauces to reclaim some of those lost nutrients. Not washing vegetables properly can lead to nutrient loss and potential health risks. Pesticides, dirt, and bacteria can remain on the surface of vegetables if not washed properly. Wash your vegetables thoroughly under running water and use a vegetable brush for those with thicker skins. Avoid soaking them for too long as it can lead to nutrient loss. Peeling your vegetables excessively can strip away valuable nutrients found in the skin. The skin of many vegetables, like potatoes and carrots, contains fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Instead of peeling, try scrubbing the vegetables clean. If you must peel, do so lightly to retain as many nutrients as possible. High temperatures can destroy sensitive nutrients in vegetables. Methods like frying and grilling at high temperatures can break down vitamins and antioxidants. Opt for gentler cooking methods such as steaming, sautéing over medium heat, or baking at lower temperatures to preserve nutrients. Using too much oil not only adds unnecessary calories, but can also reduce the nutrient density of your vegetables. Cooking vegetables in large amounts of oil can lead to calorie-dense dishes that aren't as healthy. Use minimal amounts of healthy oils like olive or coconut oil, and consider methods like steaming or roasting without oil. Letting your vegetables sit after chopping can activate beneficial compounds. Vegetables like garlic and broccoli develop more health-promoting compounds if allowed to sit for a few minutes after chopping. After chopping, let them sit for about 10-15 minutes before cooking to maximize their health benefits. Some nutrients in vegetables are fat-soluble, meaning they need fats to be absorbed properly. Vitamins A, D, E, and K require fat for absorption. Pair your vegetables with a small amount of healthy fats, like avocado, nuts, seeds, or a drizzle of olive oil to enhance nutrient absorption. Using non-stick cookware at high temperatures can release harmful chemicals. High heat can cause non-stick coatings to degrade and release potentially toxic substances. Use non-stick cookware at low to medium heat and avoid overheating. Alternatively, use stainless steel or cast iron cookware. Improper storage can lead to nutrient loss even before you cook your vegetables. Exposing vegetables to too much light, air, or moisture can degrade their nutrients. Store vegetables in a cool, dark place or in the refrigerator in appropriate containers to maintain their freshness and nutrient content. Microwaving vegetables can be convenient, but doing it without a cover can cause nutrient loss. Use a microwave-safe cover or a damp paper towel to retain moisture and nutrients during microwaving. And there you have it, folks. 12 ways you might be cooking your vegetables wrong and how to fix these common mistakes to get the most out of your veggies. Remember, the way you prepare your vegetables can significantly impact their nutritional value. By making these small adjustments, you can ensure you're getting the maximum health benefits from your meals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.